Start from the beginning. Where's the brown bear? Yeah, start there. Brown bear. Brown bear. What do you see? I see a... What is that? A red bird looking at me. Here, Jojo. Red bird. Red bird. Sing it, Jacob. What do you see? I see a... What's next? What is that? Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. What's next? What's that?
A sheep.
What's a sheep say?
Nah, nah.
Bah. What's that?
Birdfish.
What's a goldfish say?
Fish.
What's a goldfish say?
Where is it? This.
What's that?
Children.
No, teacher. 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 The next page is children. Turn the page. There's the children. How many children are there? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow.
Children.
Yay.
What's P?
Where's the yellow duck? Where's the yellow duck? What's the yellow duck say?
Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Quack, quack, quack. Where's the red bird? What's the bird say? Where's the blue horse? Where's the blue horse? Yeah, what's the horse say?
Nay, nay.
Yeah.
This.
The brown bear. What's the bear say?
Roar.
Rawr. Where's the green frog?
Baseball.
What's the green frog say? Where's the purple cat? Where's the purple cat? What's the cat say?
No, no.
Yeah. Where's the dog? Where's the white dog?
Ooh, ooh.
Ooh, ooh, yeah. Where's the black sheep? What's the sheep say?
Ba, ba.
Yeah. All done. Are you all done?